Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install cPanel on a VPS with WHM for site hosting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To install cPanel on a VPS with WHM for site hosting, start by accessing your VPS. Use an SSH client like PuTTY to connect to your server. Log in with your root username and password. Ensure your system is up to date by running the command yum update y. Next, ensure that your server has a valid hostname set. You can set a hostname using the command hostname your.hostname.com. Replace your.hostname.com with your desired hostname. Next, disable SELinux with the command setenforce 0. Edit the SELinux configuration file to make the change permanent. Use the command nano/etc/selinux/config. Change the line selinux equals enforcing to selinux equals disabled. Save the changes and exit the text editor. Now, you're ready to download the cPanel installation script. Use the command curl latest https://securedownloads.cpanel.net/latest. This command fetches the latest cPanel installer from the official site. After that, start the installation process with sh-latest. The installation will take some time, so be patient. Once the installation completes, you will see a confirmation message. Now, access your WHM by opening a web browser. Enter your server's IP address followed by 2087. For example, type https://your_server_IP 2087. Log in using your root username and password. You will be greeted with the WHM setup wizard. Follow the prompts to configure the basic settings for your server. You will need to enter your contact information and adjust your settings. Once completed, click on Finish Setup Wizard to finalize the configuration. Your cPanel with WHM is now installed and ready for use. You can start creating cPanel accounts for your websites. Congratulations on successfully installing cPanel on your VPS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.